Oh, brother, naaalala mo, anong pagkakaiba ng inner join, left join, saka na, ano ang pagkakaiba ng inner join, left join sa cross join?
Parang branch, yung inner journey ko ganun naman.
Hindi, may branch. Branch. Hindi. Ang inner join at left join, matching. Yes. Correct. Galing nga. Yun. Hindi ko na-gets yung branch. Sorry. Pero good, good, good. Ang cross join, walang matching. It's always table 1 multiplied by table 2. Okay? Ano ba yung mga trabaho natin dito? Naalala mo, no? Select from production that hindi gumagana yung intelligence. Brad, alam mo yung intelligence ng SQL Server? Alam mo ang ano ko dito, no? Ang naisip ko kung bakit ang bagal-bagal intelligence niya. Hindi kumpara ng Visual Studio na C Sharp. Kasi C Sharp is, ang tawag yan, true types. Di ba? Like for example, string or integer, ipapasa mo sa short, magko-compile error, di ba? Naisip ko yun eh. Pag strongly type ka, pagdating sa intelligence, pabor ka performance-wise. Not, I'm not sure kung mas intelligent o yung intelligence mas responsive. Yun ang, ay, yun ang naisip ko. Kung bakit kaya bagal-bagal. Oh, brother. Oh, oh, yan. Oh, C, di ba? Cross join. Or yung cross join ko na old school, no? Comma, production, dot, P, okay? Yung ano na lang, siyang ano, P dot, yan. Multiplication, yan. Okay? Ano nangyari sa join, sa ibang join, left join, inner join? Anong kulang? Yung matching. Di ba? Walang ganyan sa cross join. Cross join is not matching, it's basically multiplication. Yeah. Yeah, walang matching. Yes. 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 Brother, ano ang gusto mo? Kama o cross join? Ha? Tingin mo. If you have a programmer friend who you are working under the same project, will you type comma or will you type CROSS space JOIN for readability?
I will tell him na lang po na. I will tell him na lang po na whenever I will use Pavlov reflex para pag nakita niya yung coma, sabihin niya, cross join.
Okay. Ako I was thinking cross join dapat.
Why not CR, wala ba pong CRG, yung mga ganun, tapos na mga shortcut?
Why? Wala. Okay. I think, depende, no? Sige. Tama tayo, ha? Okay. Shake hands. Pag-team tayo, tama ang gagamitin ng business na cross join, ha? Sige.
Tapos na nakalimutan po, ang ibig sabihin na itong coma.
Yeah. No, ako hindi ko makakalimutan. The left table has, di ko na babasahin to, brother. Ah. This is shit. This is chicken feed. Huwag natin. Okay? Here's a query that achieved the task by performing cross-join between two instances of the norms table. One representing the days alias as D, and the other representing the shift as S. Basahin natin. Ano lang to, Brad? Ano to? This is still multiplication. Okay? Ang nangyari dito, Brad, is itong nums, I'm not sure kung Mr. Joshua, hindi ko alam kung ano ang strategy ng engine dito. Okay? Pwedeng minultiply niya muna and then in-apply niya yung where. No? Or pwedeng in-apply niya yung where doon sa D and then in-apply niya yung where doon sa S and then minultiply niya. Okay? Okay, dogs? The nums table has 100,000 rows. Yeah. According to logical query processing, the first step in the processing of the query is evaluating the from. The cross join operates in the from clause, performing a Cartesian product. Wow, Cartesian pala ang tawag doon, no? Between the two instances of noun, yielding a table of 100,000 times 2. Okay? Then, the where clause filters only the rows where the column D dot n is less than or equal to 7 and the column S than n is less than or equal to 3. After applying the filter, the result has 21 qualified. The select clause then returns D dot n, aliasing it the day, and Sn aliasing it shift number. Fortunately, SQL Server doesn't have to follow logical query processing literally. Ayun! Oy, 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 yan. Oh, basahin mo. Oh, fortunately, SQL Server doesn't have to follow logical query processing. Ano yung logical query processing? From, where, group by, having, and then some select, and then yung offset, yung fetch, and then yung select ulit. Yung, ano yung mga iba, yung mga top. Hindi, order by is, yeah, order by, tapos select ulit yung mga when window functions, yung mga top, ganyan. Dalawang beses pupunta yung select. O, yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, Brad. Okay, sometimes it doesn't follow logical query processing. So what I think, Brad, is to save space, no, in the memory. Nag-where clause kagad siya doon sa dalawang table bago siya nag-Cartesian pa. Yes, 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 it can. It can. It can dictate. Yes, yes, pwede. Meron. Meron. May paraan. You can dictate how the engine will perform. Oo, meron. Pwede. Maano natin yan. Ano, sa ibang book. Sa 7.6. Ah, yes. Ay, kuya, ano pala ito, no? Ah, jazz. Akala ko first. Akala ko yung ano ng first. Ano pala, jazz pala siya. Yung logo. Si Jordan, kuya, nandyan pa rin sa jazz. Si Jordan Clarkson.
Oo.
Ah,
Kaya lumakas sila eh. Kasi yung dati si Michael ng center yun, ano? Ngayon, Meron true center sila.
Yeah, yeah.
Nalaging old study Martin eh.
Yung kuya, ano, if ever kuya, tanungin ko yung kapatid ko, hiramin natin yung NBA Big Pass. Kasi yun kuya, ano lang eh, madalas nanonood lang pag Lakers eh. Pero yung ano niya, yung yung ano niya, yung yung subscription niya is all team. Eh, pag okay rin doon, kaso kapag nagtitipid, okay doon sa team. Brother, returning the result as that's what optimization is all about. Returning the result as fast as possible. SQL Server knows that with the cross join followed by a filter, it can evaluate the filter first. Which is especially efficient when there are indexes to support the filters and then match the remaining rows. This optimization technique is called predicate pushdown. Wow. Yun pala ang term, no? Predicate pushdown, which means you um, evaluate the predicates first, just to promote performance. No, you evaluate the predicate pushdown. I mean the predicates first. Note the importance of aliasing the tables in a join. Brother, tayo always, brother, may alias. Always. Always. Makikita ko sa iyo ang problem ng alias, ay ng hindi na alias. Okay? Makikita mo yan. Makikita mo yan. Okay? De. Wag yan, wag yan, wag yan. Bida. Okay. Bida. Okay, gets ko na. Okay. Okay. Bida. Ah, ah,
May example, rating mo rin sila.
ha?
Rating. Napaka-alternate forward mo sa application.
Yun nga eh, brother, kasi, dapat tama nga yung kaso yung brother, yung mismong pagkagawa sa, sa, ginawa, yung mismong pagkagawa ng columns, hindi siya yung camel casing natin. Eh. Yan, no? Puro small letters. Ako, brother, hindi ako ganyan. Ako, hindi ako ganyan. Talagang ganyan ako. Yung casing ko ganyan. Eh.
We need to find
And if, yeah.
Alright.
Okay, brother. Na ano ko na eh. Magbasa-basa ba na tayo? Okay, but in a self-join like ours, stable aliasing is mandatory. If you don't assign, brother, kasi self-join siya, so mandatory siya. Okay? Pag self-join is mandatory. Nagigets mo ako, Brad? Nagigets mo ba ako? Pag self-join, mandatory yung alias. O, tingnan mo. O pag ganyan, no? Papalitan ko, no? Gagawin ko inner yan. O kahit wag inner, no? Kahit dito tayo mag-join doon sa where, no? Tanggalin ko yung alias. Okay? Tanggalin ko, no? Oh, yan. Oh. Mandatory ba? Hindi. So, production, that categories, comma, is equal to that category ID is equal to 1 or production that products is equal to 1.
Bakit production beer?
Mali ako, brad. Ito yung pinagalitan mo. Ayan. Pag ganyan, okay lang, no? Ano nangyari? Wala tayong aliasing. Okay? Production dot products.
Ambiguous.
Walang kala, no? Ayan. Okay? Oh, brother. Dali lang, dali lang.
Ambiguous or
Yeah. Yeah. Ano yun lang natin? Palitan lang natin to. Galing natin. Oh, pwede, no? Oh, paano pag dalawa siya? Pag self-join. Hindi pwede. Kasi hindi mo alam kung sino yung ipe-predicate mo. Okay? Oh, so lalagyan mo ng table T1 as T2. Pag ganyan,
hindi ako alis yun.
pwede. Pag ganyan, pwede.
So, gusto alis.
Ha? Ano yung sinasabi ko pag
So,
self-join,
walang possible.
it's not possible. Kapag self-join tapos walang aliasing. Okay? So by default, usapan natin dalawa, always aliasing. Okay?
So, bakit sa iba pong ayaw mag-alis yun?
Sira ulo yung mga. Sira ulo yung
Bawal
mga.
daw.
Yeah. Pakita ko naman sa iyo yung problema ng pagdating naman sa aliasing ng columns. Brad. Pagdating pa rin sa aliasing ng table, Brad. Kunwari ito. Sige, kain ka. Mamaya na yung ano. Okay. Okay. Ako, excited ako.
So may time naman.
Okay.
Dapat
Or if ever, baka magpapapawis.
parang kung hindi mo na lang dapat nagugutom ka. Mapagutom. Kaya nga nag-exercise ka, gusto mo, mag-burn mo lang yung stored mo, kundi binibigyan ng mga sakit. Yung visceral fat mo na burn. Naganda lahat yung function ng mo.
Mute po yan. Ayun.
Di ba floss to?
Hindi po.
Yes. Brother. Importante yung aliasing, no? So, tayo always aliasing tayo pagdating sa table, ha? Doon. Yun, no? Always, meron, ha? Always. Kahit single table lang, ha? Kahit single table lang. Always alias. Okay? Always. Good practice, Brad. O, inner join. With an inner join can match rows from two tables based on a predicate. Ganun din, left join, pareho sila. Usually, one that compares a primary key, usually, not all the time, compares a primary key to a foreign key. Okay? Figure 1.7 illustrates an inner join. Oh. Okay? Tanggalin mo na lang yung 1. Tanggalin mo yung mga 1. What does it do? Okay? Letter B must be equal to B. Letter C must be equal to C. So how many will it return? 3. 1, 2, 3.
So, ito mo.
No, mawawala yung A. Mawawala yung D. Kasi yung D, wala dito. Yung A dapat nandyan, yung D dapat nandyan.
So,
That's still not going to work. Okay?
bandi mo.
Dapat yung D nandun para lalabas.
Lagyan mo.
No.
How to get a file from Facebook.
Okay, the letters represent primary key values in the left table and foreign key values in the right table. Assuming the join is an equijoin. Oh, brother, always brother, joining natin madalas equijoin. Pero doon sa matching area ng inner join at pwede ka hindi gumamit ng equijoin.
So, like, you cannot use a word pag
Hindi, actually, usually, Brad, may equijoin siya and then dinadagdagan ng hindi equijoin. Okay? Assuming the join is an equijoin, the inner join returns only matching row for which the predicates the value is true. Rows for which the predicate the value is false or unknown are discarded. Okay? As an example, ayan. Oh, brother. Yun. Yun. Okay? Brother, ang tanong mo, yung predicate push down, ginagamit ba sa inner join? Malamang, Brad. Pag nakita ng engine na it is worth trying predicate push down. Kaya naman, predicate, may predicate siya. Oh. Depende, Brad. Pag sa statistics, sa ibang book, itatake natin yung statistics. Susundan ng engine, yung path na yun, depende sa statistics. Ganun ang engine, Brad. Ha? Merong siraulong pwedeng gumawa ng gano'n. Pwede mong ipilit yung mabagal. Pwede. Siraulo. Meron sa ibang book. Sa ibang exam. Siguro siraulo yun, no? Observe that the joints matching predicate is specified in the on. It matches suppliers and products that are the same, that share the same supplier ID. Rows from either side that don't find a match in the other are discarded. For example, suppliers from Japan with no related products are not returned. Okay. Okay. Okay, Brad. So what this means is yung suppliers na hindi taga-Japan, ay na taga-Japan, ihahanap mo ng product. Alam mo, yan. Kung alam mo ang suppliers table, usually ang suppliers table, it's more of an admin table. So maliit lang ang data niyan. So madalas, ang nangyayari, hindi predicate push down. it will join first and then it will perform the predicate. Okay? Pero depende yan. Pag i-compare mo sila, pero yung pag-compare mo is more of like for example, yung mga transactions, order details, blah blah blah. Baka mag-perform ng predicate. Alam mo yung order details?
So what?
Resibo. O, gaano kadaming resibo sa isang araw? Brad, basta. Sa ano, Brad? Sa ibang libro. Sa ibang, itatalakay natin. Open and joining tables, you join them. This is more of a SQL blah blah blah. SQL select, where, top, Windows function. More of yung mga anong ibig sabihin ng semantics? Parang meta. Ito, ano ba ang meta ng SQL? Oh, yeah. Siguro yung meta ng SQL is yung sa susunod na yeah. Meta is yung meta is more of yung description ng data, no? The data of the data. Okay. Open and joining tables, you join them based on a foreign key, unique key relationship. Oh, brother. For example, there's a foreign key defined on the supplier ID in the production products table, referencing the primary key column supplier ID. Okay, usually ganyan. Referencing table and reference table. Or should I say, foreign key to unique key. Okay? Ano kuya? Ano ka na? Okay.
Ito ba po sa akin yung calcium na meta? 400 degrees, 400 degrees Celsius. Liquid na po. Yun mo, yung calcium, memeto po sa mga 400 degrees Celsius. Mga 400 degrees Celsius po, kasi yung liquid po niya.
Okay. It is also important to know that when you define a primary key or unique constraint, SQL Server creates a unique index on the constraint column to enforce the constraint's unique property. But when you define a foreign key, SQL Server doesn't create. Okay? Okay lang na mag-create. Such indexes could improve performance of joins based on those relationships. Hindi siya automatic mag-create, but it is it is recommended
Pero ito parang
to create. Yes. Gawa tayo, Brads. Ayun natin. Alam ko yan. Huwag na. Yun naman. Ayun natin. Banata natin. Kaso hindi tayo pwedeng gawa na lang tayo ng table natin, no?
di ba so
Yeah, tsaka if ever may data yun, babanatan natin yung unique constraint, baka mag-error. Ito Brad, banatan natin ang unique constraint to. 7, 8, 9, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Brother, tignan mo to. Tignan mo mabuti. So, create. Non-clustered unique index. I think dito yung pangalan. I mean, dito yung pangalan, no? Usually ako, UIDX, wherein U is unique, underscore, employees. Oh yeah, that's how I name it. Di ko na, yung schema, di ba? HR yung schema, hindi ko na nilalagay. Employees, underscore, address. Okay? Dali lang. On HR dot arg window. Sorry. Fat fingers. View object explorer. Ayun, HR.employees. On HR.employees. Oh, brother, tingnan mo to. Oh, address. Okay? Oh. Good coding practice, lagyan mo ng brackets para mawala yung kulay. Okay, pwedeng wag mong lagyan ng bracket pero may kulay siya. It is misleading to your fellow programmer. Okay? Back. Okay? And then expecting ID. I think that dapat doon yung ide.
Basically,
Yung index.
put down your hands. Mantayin mo yung kamay mo. Put down your hands.
Okay, dito yung unique. Ay, wait. Alam mo ang ano ko. Wait. Sorry. We are creating an index, a unique index. Hindi ito yung hindi ito yung gusto ko Ito. Sorry. We're deliberately creating a unique index, which is wrong. What I am trying to explain is lalagyan natin ng unique constraint. Okay? Okay? Oh, ayan na. Okay, add constraint. Okay?
People I will hire should not be born in place called A. Place that starts with the letter A.
What?
Parang doon.
What like? Oh, teka lang. UIDX employees. Oh, address. On what's this? Hindi kasi ako naggumagawa naman eh. Unique on HR. Tama na ito eh. Incorrect syntax near. Incorrect expecting ID. Constraint unique. Teka, ano yun natin dito? W3 schools. Add unique constraint.
Mali po yung ano niya. Constraint.
Ayun. Add constraint, yung pangalan. Unique. Wala nang on. Oh my goodness. Oh, brother. Oh, yan. Linagyan ko yun ng unique constraint. Tignan mo ang mangyayari, okay? Dali lang. Oh, pa-explain ko sa yung mangyayari. Tayo sa constraint. Pak. Oh, wait. Napaya ako. Iyan natin. I-refresh natin. Bakit wala? Constraint. Dali lang. Dali lang. Hindi niya nalinagay sa keys. Ayun, sa keys. Nakita mo. Oh, Brad, nakita mo. Oh, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo mabuti. Oh, yan, di ba? May constraint tayo. Okay? May constraint pa rin tayo. Yan, yun. Hindi lang, ah, usually, ang constraint, pag dito, default constraint or ano eh, usually default constraint of foreign key constraint, or ano eh, default constraint dito, or check constraint. There are a lot of constraints, there are a lot of ano.
Hindi ba yung
Yeah. But pag ganyan, primary key, pag ganyan, it's foreign key, which points to a primary key. And this one is, it's a constraint but unique. Okay? O brother, titignan, punta ka ng index. Ayun, gumawa siya ng index din, aside dun sa constraint. O brother,
pero wala po constraint na
hindi, ayun eh. Brother, you can create straight to the unique index bypassing creation of constraint. You can do that too. You can do that too. But if you create a unique constraint, it requires a unique index. Okay? Ang nangyari, gumawa tayo ng constraint. Okay? And then, dahil unique constraint niya, kinopya niya yung pangalan ng unique constraint at gumawa siya ng unique index. Okay? This unique index, hindi mo madadrop yan. I'm not sure kung madadrop mo to. Delete natin. Pwede. Pero yung key dito, ayun, binura niya. Binura niya. Kung ako si Bill Gates, hindi ko papadelete. You need to delete the constraint first before deleting the. Okay? Okay, brother, bakit may index? Ang unique constraint. Why? Para ma-check mo. An index is, it will create a separate structure and it will sort. Okay? It will sort. Kapag unique index, it's the same structure, it will sort, but it will maintain uniqueness. You cannot maintain uniqueness, brother, if you will not sort it. Diba? Okay? A unique index and a non-unique index is the same. It is the same because it will create a separate structure and you will sort it. Okay? But a unique index, it will maintain.
so yung ano, dito na talaga yung
Oo nga. Literal nga. Okay. Doon naman tayo sa but when you define a foreign key, okay, SQL Server doesn't create. Okay. Brother. CT, no? Manager ID. Wala tayong Walang pwede. Suppliers. Walang pwedeng Anyway, Brads.
Cost supply, si Japanese supply XYZ.
Yun. Nakikita mo yung category ID na yon.
Category I. Okay.
Yeah. Foreign key siya. Punta tayo sa index.
Ano po yung gano'n? Pero alam niyo po primary key foreign.
Ito Brad, linagyan niya. Linagyan niya yan. Di-delete. Ay, ayokong delete eh.
Baka
Baka,
mawala
baka gagamitin yan. Baka, hindi. You can delete an index. You can delete indexes anytime and it will perform.
So if I
The
have no
system,
index,
it will perform, but you may destroy, you may kill the performance. Okay?
so kung
And-
walang index, like theoretically, I can make it from someone.
Oo.
I accidentally deleted all of the index.
Isa ko lang nakikita is kapag nag-delete ka ng unique index, you will destroy business logic. Okay? Like for example, yung SSS number ni Joshua Soliman magagamit ni Vince Reyes. Di
Ganda po
ba?
na. Ganda po yun.
Pwedeng ganon, no? What I'm trying to say is, pag naman gumawa ako ng foreign key, ayun, no? Ayun eh, punta ako sa keys, no? Ayun, no? FK products underscore category. Malakas. Hindi ko alam eh. Alam ko, linuluto lang namin. Ay, hindi ko pa napinapanood ko yan. Yeah, bagong labas na yun eh. Live to 100.
Mas ganun yung Facebook ko.
Pinapanood ko ngayon yung The Fall of Usher. Sobrang sobrang
Hindi pa namin napanood.
daming horror siya eh. Ano pala siya? Edgar Allan Poe pala siya.
Hindi po siya horror.
Horror.
Horror. Technically horror. Sa horror. Kasi Edgar Allan Poe, ayaw na nga yun eh. Yung ano po yung mga jump scare.
Hindi pa ba horror yun?
Technically not.
Hindi, panoorin mo. Siguro kung babasahin mo siguro yung kay Edgar. Hindi siya ganun horror. No? More of parang, yeah.
Oh. Kailangan
Ang dami, wala dito parang hindi ko
Tignan na ba?
Ako pa, lutuin namin ito.
Basta ba?
Ano, taga-lutuin ito. Dito, ganyan. Ang lahat, tumulo na isa dito sa
Ako, kuya, yung mugo ko, mas marami pa sa kanin. Ginagawa. Chicharon. I mean, chicharon, diba?
Wala kang ibang. Kaya nga, kung sa Facebook eh, ang popular contemporary.
Dapat tayo, parang Stallone, no? Yung gusto ko yun eh. Stallone, gamay. Yeah, titigan ko. 100. Kuya, yung vegan, ayaw mo.
Tuloy ko lang.
Kulang din ang protein eh. Kulang din. Mostly kulang yung protein. Lalo.
Kasi so, ano ko, pero ano, hindi ko naman. Pero, gawin yung tsura ko. Pero, lahat tinikit sa yung tsura ko, pero sa top ng lahat, yun ang the best.
Yeah.
Talaga, tawa ka naman, kailangan mag-ano ka naman, pakiyotik mo. Hindi mo nakapag-sex mo.
Dapat.
Yung maximize natin yung ano mo, kasi pagkakita ka naman, hindi mo yung sa mga anak mo, pagod ko. Kaya ako, si Josie, parang motivation ko. Yung pinangarap ko pa, okay, ingat-ingat ako, sabi ko, kailangan ko itong baka ito. Doon ako nag-ano, sabi ko, fix ko maka-iPhone na ko eh. Dahil, yung business ako, dahil pagkain, bebenta ako ng mga tao, dito di ba?
Yung sa kayo kinukuha ng tapak. Kapit. Ah, kaya pala.
Kaya mas mura. Kasi kung bibili ka sa palengke mo,
Mga imported pa yun. Pwede ba?
mga hindi
Yeah. May kausap ka kuya sa
yung parang explant food. Bili ka. May ka ba? Eh, ano kami, yung mga freezer ito eh. Namin bili. Isang test type, 4 na upright. Dalawang malaki, mas malaki pa dito eh. Dalawang ref, 5 freezer. Eh, mga ano, bibili kami. Yan, bibili kami plain cheese sa box.
wait, plain cheese. Take yun kuya, di ba?
Plain cheese, ha?
Green cheese.
Plain cheese. Yung sa nagamit cheese.
Yeah, green cheese.
Piece of the cream or the cream.
Ang ganda ng ano.
Yung green cheese. Yung green cheese, pwede yung ano yun yan eh. Dip, no? Dip.
Halo mo lang parang
Hindi, pwede na yung plain na cream talaga.
yan yan.
That's yung parang cream na talaga sa halo.
Ako, kaya kapag nasa SNR tayo,
Wala ako plain cheese. Philadelphia na nagdalo lang sa Italy. Order ako eh. Pero sa mess order, no. There's no Italian government. So, gamitin niya beef, chicken and steak or ano. Yung sa pinili ko, pwede mong i-swap ng Philadelphia. So, yun ang ano ko. Meron ka ng pasta, may salad, kaya hindi. Hindi. 10 pesos na binabayad ko. Para si guys ng Italian government.
yeah.
Sa pinag-titi, ano umalis. Ngayon nga, gumatas na nila eh. Para tumaas yung ano ka daw.
Tapos ang pera na kukuha ko, depende sa grade 2. Kaya nakukuha ko yung scholarship ko ng 100%. Ang pag-aawa, parang natin lang. Kaya may motivation ako mag-aaral.
Wow. Brother,
ChatGPT. Yan.
Na,
ChatGPT.
hindi.
yeah, ako hindi lumalabas usually sa food, lumalabas sa bibig.
Ito po sa akin. Sa akin po. Dito po naman.
Regarding the last query again, notice the convenience of using
Yung ChatGPT.
bro, yeah, di, ano, database ng, huwag na chat GPT. Okay, database ng chat GPT. Tingin ko NoSQL.
Ah, Tapos na default ban.
Kapag kapag natin hindi mo kailangan ng mga foreign key, ganyan. Kapag hindi mo kailangan ng mga foreign key, ganyan.
It was not a good thing.
Yeah,
So why do people use
secret, Brad.
other than
Why?
the phone?
Ang secret is important, Brad, kapag business.
Why? Foreign.
It manages the
So kung wala pong foreign, so why would you use SQL para? So it's fine.
brother, it enforces. It enforces.
Why not mo?
It's more of, kung ako kung hindi mo kailangan ng,
So, pag wala ko tawag ko na siya. Dako ako eh. Just,
Brad,
pwede ko siya.
basta Brad, ang sequel, Brad, sa akin kapag for business, pag may term sila, OLTP, sequel, Brad. Pero, let's say search engine, titingin na, parating tumitingin na from top, bottom, walang pakialam, walang mga referencing table, mga ganyan. Sa akin like Facebook, why would you need foreign keys? No.
So what's the best one for after SQL?
NoSQL. Dalawa lang naman
Kung ayaw na po.
NoSQL. Ng NoSQL? Hindi ko alam Merong MongoDB sa cloud, merong CosmoDB. Pag NoSQL Pero kung SQL, the best sa akin is MS.
Pasabihin ko lang Gilbits, pwede daw. At pwede nung SQL, pero SQL pa rin Microsoft.
Yeah. Okay, that's pwede. Ay, sa Soberano, nasa Lisa Frankenstein pala. Nasa sila sa Soberano. Maganda Lisa Frankenstein, pero lalabas pala sa February. Maganda nga. Hindi. Panoorin mo yung trailer. Hoy, kinuha mo na yung ano ng tatay mo. Brother, tuloy tayo. Tuloy tayo, Brads. Regarding the last query again, notice the convenience of using... Focus ka, Brads. Ikaw.
Ayun. So yung bakit yung where clause, di ba?
Ang Brad, ginagamit sa matching.
So kung wala pong match here.
Alam mo, Brads, alam mo pwede kang mag-matching ng walang inner join. Uy, makinig ka. Pwede ka mag-matching na walang inner join. Anong gawin mo? Di ba, cross join ka, tapos lagyan mo ng where. It's the same fit. Kahit left join, pwede ka mag-cross join na. Depende sa iyo. Kung anong gusto mong, okay? Kung pahirapan mo katabi mong programmer, no? Gawa ka ganyan, pahirapan mo siya, ikaw debug mo yan. No? Gawin mo yan. Oh. Kapag matching, doon tayo sa inner join. Ang inner join, walang where sa matching. Yun ay lalagyan mo ng keyword na on and then equality. Ano yung equality? Equijoin. Di ba? Okay? Oh, regarding last query again, notice the convenience of using sort table addresses when needing to refer to ambiguous column names like supplier ID. Observe that the query uses table addresses to prefix even non-ambiguous column names such as s.country. This practice isn't mandatory as long as the column name is not ambiguous. Yes, okay? Column name is not ambiguous or kapag, ano pa yung mga aliases, kailan siya importante? Kapag self-joining, you need aliases. Okay? But it is still considered as best practice for clarity. A very common question is, what's the difference between the on and the where clause? And does it matter if you specify your predicate on it? The answer is that for inner joins, it doesn't matter. But both clauses serve the same filtering purpose. Both filter only rows for which the predicate evaluation true and discard rows for which the predicate evaluation false. In terms of logical query processing, the where is evaluated right after the is it? Oh, yun na. Logical query processing, yun. Okay? But it's not the engine. Logical query processing is more of that this book says and then where and then look. Okay? The where is evaluated right and the front. So in conceptually, it is equivalent to concatenating the predicates with an and operator forming a conjunction of predicates. Okay. SQL Server knows this and therefore can internally rearrange the order in which it evaluates the predicates in practice. Tama nga naman. And it does so based on cost estimate. Statistics. Meron yan sa ibang book. For these reasons, if you wanted, you could rearrange the placement of the predicates from the previous query specifying both in the on clause and still retain the original meaning as follows. Ayun, Brads. Tignan mo. Look. Where did you put yung country equal to Japan? Linagay mo sa on. I do that, the man. I do that. Not, none. No. I just do it, man. It's my world. My code, my world. It's mine. It's the Vince ultimate coding. The Vince, it's the only way. For many people, though, it's intuitive to specify the predicate that matches columns from both sides in the on and predicates that to the columns from only one side in the where clause. Tama yan. Tama nga naman. Pero ako, minsan doon ako sa on. Also, think about the potential that in the future we'll need to change an inner join to an outer join, whereas there's difference between the rules that the on and where clauses play. O tama yan. As I described in the next section. But again, with inner joins, it does not matter. Yet, in the discussions of outer joins in the next session, we'll see that with those on and where play different. You need to figure out according to your needs, which is the appropriate clause for each of your predictions. Another example for inner join, the following query joins two instances of the HR employees table to match employees with their manager. Yan, Brads, magagawa mo yan na inner join or magagawa mo yan na cross join. And then right clause. What does that mean? Yung employee, ididikit mo siya sa kanyang manager. Or you know, E that manager ID equal to M that employee ID. Okay, get it again. Observe the join predicate on E manager ID equal to M that employee ID. The employee instance is aliased as E and the manager instance as M. To find the right matches, the employee's manager ID needs to be equal to the manager's employee ID. Tama nga naman yan. Note that only 8 rows were returned even though there are 9 rows in the table. The reason is that the CEO, Sarah Davis, has no manager. And therefore, her manager ID column is null. He has a CEO, his husband. Remember that an inner join does not return rows that don't find match. Oh, whatever. As with cross joins, both the standard and TCL support an older syntax for inner joins, where you specify a comma within the table names and then all predicates in the where. O yun, yung ano natin, yung ating coding standards, no? Comma, no? Hindi tayo gumagamit ng cross. But as mentioned, it's considered best to stick with the nearest syntax with the join. Okay? When using the older syntax, if you forget to indicate the join predicate, you end up with an unintentional cross join. Okay? So, kung hindi mo siya lalagyan ng predicate, ay na predicate ng prefix, hindi mo lalagyan ng ganyan, it's where the hindi. Nag-i-inner siya. But as mentioned, it is considered best to stick with the nearest syntax with the join key. When using the older syntax, if you forget to indicate, the join predicate, you end up with an intention. Okay. If you forget to indicate the join predicate, sorry, akala ko prefix, no?
you end up with yun yung comma. When using yung comma, no? When using the newer syntax, any new join is not valid syntactically without an on clause. So if you forget to indicate the join predicate, the parser will generate an error. Okay. Because an inner join is the most commonly used type of join, that the standard decided to make it the default in case you specify just the join keyword. O yun, yung error natin kanina. So T1, join T2 is equivalent to T1, inner join. Brother, outer join. I usually use this, but there is a left. Yes, it sounds like a joke. If you're not a coder, and I'm introducing joins, might sound a joke, no? Yeah, yeah. It's real. It's real. God, I'm so gassy. Um, Galing sa chat ba, is it flammable? Or you need it to pass it to the intestine? So it's not flammable. But if you pass it from your intestines, it's going to be created as a methane. Yes. One. That's when you explode. Because I hit you on a spot that is it's a spot where you can get hurt here. Bob, don't hurt me, man. Ah, masakit, Brad. Dito. Yes. In other joints, you can request to preserve all rows from one or both sides of the joint. Never mind if there are matching rows in the other side based on that on predicate. By using the keywords left, join, okay, we're going to remove the outer, no? I don't use yung outer na, boy, I don't use it. Okay, you ask to preserve the left table. The join returns what an inner join normally would, that is matching, except, no? In addition, the joins also returns rows from the left table that have no matches. Okay? O, yung ano, yung graph. Yung graph. Yan. Okay, yung graph. B, C, C. O nakikita mo yung A, yung wala siyang karibal. It's going to be included. D, it's not going to include it. But if it's a right join, this is going to get included. 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 This one, no. I don't use right join rule. I don't. Because you can do everything using left. If your brain, if you use the right side of your brain, maybe use the right join. If you use it too much, the right side of your Yes. Yes. Parang ganon. Okay? It's a preference. You can do everything with a left join, so why use right join? Okay? Unlike in the inner join, the left join row with the key, pareho lang, no? Inner join, left join, pareho. Okay? The left row with the key A is returned even though it has no match. Yun ang pagkakaiba. It returned with nulls as placeholder in the right. Okay? Nagaling ko to. Okay? Okay? T1, the Oh, tingnan mo yun lang ako. T2, dot. Huwag ito, no? Ito, maghanap tayo. Ayun, yan. Ito. Ah, ayan. Tingnan lang. Ayusin natin, Brad. Oh. Masunod. Oh, Brad, ayusin natin, no? Oh, pak, 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 pak. Okay, pak. Okay. Tapos ito, yung left, i- i-align mo.
Madamas.
Hindi. Ay, hindi. Tatanggalin ko yung outer. Hmm. Pareho lang yan. Oh, huwag natin tanggalin to. Tanggalin natin tong predicate na to. Okay. O, tignan mo yung letter P, no? Ito, no? Yung mga letter P, no? O, tignan mo. Mangyari. Hmm. Yung iba.
The products name like ano ko yung mga
Eh, lahat may value eh. Lahat may value eh. Lahat may value eh. Ah, bakit may value to? Lahat may value eh. Ba't yan dali? O, sige, arihin natin. Ah, halika. Ay, kaso merong ano to eh. May foreign key to, hindi natin madadaya eh. Ang ano kasi Brad, ang left join kasi, kapag foreign key siya, hindi siya automatic may data yan. Pag equi-join ka. O dadayain natin, okay? Supplier, product, no? Dali lang ha. Ano yun natin? Check natin muna yung ano, no? Check muna natin yung product, no? Kung may foreign key siya, no? Eh, may foreign key siya eh. Tapos not nullable pa. Di ba? Automatic may data yan. It's a stupid. It's a stupid. Ewan ko saan niya kinuha tong data na to. Ewan ko kung saan niya kinuha tong data na to. Wala. Ayun o. May, hindi mangyayari yan. Ayan o, may foreign queue. Kung saan ang nullable yan. Gets mo? Ng null. Ng null. O, sige. Okay. Gawa na lang tayo ng separate table. Brother, o ganyan. Tignan mo. Ang bagal naman. Nakikita mo ba, nagigets mo ba? Not nullable, may foreign key. Kahit gaano mo i-left join yan, always merong lalabas na data yan. Ay, wait. Gets ko na ang problem. Hindi natin kailangan sorry. Minsan na ano ako, how about mag-delete tayo ng products? Hindi magiging null. Hindi magiging null. Nagigets mo ko?
Parang
Para hindi, ang goal natin magpapalabas tayo ng null dito, di ba? O ano tayo? I-delete natin yung mga products na galing ng oy, Sweden.
mga bawal.
O yung dalawa, gagawin nating null to. Tapos isa lang lalabas. O, di ba? O, ganyan nga. Ilipat natin yung Sweden sa UK. Okay. Talaga ganyan lang yan. Oh, select muna natin. Oh, Brad, tinan mo ko. Oh, from. Ito, kakopay natin yan. Oh. Yan. Open tab. Oh. Oh, check mo yung Sweden. Hindi, order by natin. Order by is that country para madali. Lahat kasi ng supplier may product, kaya hindi natin napalabas yung null. Okay? O yun. Ilipat natin yung Sweden sa ano? Sa UK. So ito yun. Yun, no? Yung 9 at 17. Okay, yung 9 at 17. Ilipat natin sa Spain. Okay? Ilipat natin sa Spain. Okay? O ganyan yan. Tingnan mo. Update. Ano yan? Production. Dot. Products. Set. Lagyan natin ng supplier ID equal to 5 where supplier ID in 9, ano pa? 17. Oh. Oh. Execute. Update. Identity column. Identity. Sorry. Ito. Sorry. Products. Sira ulo ako. Ang dami tinatay ko. Yan. Yan. Tas mali pa. Yan. I fix yan. Or labas. Okay na? Oh, brother, execute ko. Oh, tignan mo yung left join natin ulit. Oh, ang left join na to, yung supplier na ano yung Germany, wala siyang product. Nawalan siya ng product. Yeah, o execute natin. Saan na yung Germany? Yun, ay Sweden pala. O pero isa na lang lalabas. Pero nagdal na siya. Yes. Ang okay sa sa left join is kung kailangan mong palabasin parati yung sa kaliwa, left join. Hindi left. Oh, i-ano mo lang ganyan Ano natin para sa iyo? Para sa iyo, Brad. Oh, yan gaganyanin ko yan. Okay? Hindi ko alam, Brad. Di ako si Bill Gates. Alright. Yun. Yan. Yung Sweden. Sige, kuya. Tignan mo. Yung Sweden ulit. Ayun. Okay.
ano po si supplier table.
Yeah. Okay na tayo. Tapusin na lang natin to. Ay, hindi natin tapusin.
What's that?
Oy, di ko na.
Ayoko
Basahin
Bawal
natin.
na bawal.
Basahin natin to, Brads. Malapit na to.
Right, John?
Because the production supplier table is preserved side of the joint, supplier XYZ is returned even though it has no products. As you recall, an inner joint did not return the supplier. Okay? It is very important to understand that with the other outer joints, the on and wear clause play very different roles. And therefore, they are not interchangeable. The where clause still plays a simple filtering role, namely, it keeps true cases and discards false and unknown cases. In our query, the where clause filters only suppliers from Japan, so suppliers that are not from Japan simply don't show up. However, the on clause doesn't play a simple filtering role. Rather, it's a more sophisticated matching role pagdating sa outer joints. Okay? In the other words, a row in the preserved side will be returned whether the on predicate finds a match or not. So for the on predicate, only determines which rows from the non-preserved side get matched to rows from the preserved side. Not whether to return the rows from the preserved side. In our query, the on clauses matches rows from both sides by comparing their supplier ID. Because it is a matching predicate as opposed to a filter. Okay? Okay? The join will not discard suppliers. Instead, it only determines which products get matched to each supplier. But even if a supplier has no matches based on the on predicate, the supplier is still returned. Wow, ilang beses yung sinabi yun. In other words, on is not final with respect to the preserved side of the joint. Where is final? Okay. So when in doubt whether to specify the predicate in the on or where clause, ask yourself, is the predicate used to filter or match? Is it supposed to be final or non-final? With this in mind, guess what happens if you specify both the predicate that compares the supplier IDs from both sides and the one comparing the supplied country to the Japan. Brother yan Brad, na pag yung filtering Brad sa preserved side, lilipat mo sa on, pag outer joint may problem. Ay, wait. No. Sa non-preserved side. Gets mo? Makinig ka, Brads. Left joint. Okay? May matching clause siya. Meron din siyang predicate sa where. Kapag yung predicate sa where, shit, brain fart yun. Ulit. Dali. Basa ulit. Sadali. So the on predicate only determines which rows from the non-preserved side gets matched to rows from the preserved side. Of course. Not whether to return the rows from the... In our query, the on clause matches rows from both sides by comparing the supply ID. Because it is a matching predicate as opposed to a filter, the join will not discard suppliers. Of course. But even if a supplier has no matches based on the on predicate, the supplier is still returned. In other words, on is not final with respect respect to the preserved side of the joint. Wait. On is not final with respect to the preserved side of the joint. Where is final? So when in doubt, whether to specify the predicate in the on or where clause, ask yourself, okay, sige Brads, ganito na lang. Pag left join Brads,
Right.
yung matching dapat nasa on. Hindi katulad ng cross join na yung matching, pag cross join at inner join, yung cross join, pwede mong ilagay yung matching sa baba. Okay? Yun lang yan. With this in mind, guess what happens if you specify both the predicate that compares the supply IDs from both sides and the one comparing the supply country to Japan. Okay. Ito. Ito pareho lang. Linagay mo lang yung Japan. Kahit nasa... Bakit? Yeah. Alam ko na. Observe at the different... Brother, hindi magandang example to. Nako, I am going to fire this that's me. That's a very handsome man. Brother, makinig ka.
Oh.
Ang on, pag left join or right join, ang on is matching. It is not the final break. Okay, tignan mo to, Brad. Mali itong example na kasi yung isa niya pang predicate, ang tutok niya, tignan mo, ang tutok niya doon sa preserved side. Okay? Tignan mo to, Brad, ha? Basta, huwag na. Patikits mo.
Basta parang gano'n. Kasi si Itzy Belga na ito.
Basta. Ang ano, Brad? Sabihin. Basta kapag left join, Brad. Ito. Brad, hindi ako aalis ng hindi ko explain sa'yo. Hindi ko na-explain, okay? Okay? Nakikita mo yan. Okay? May pagkakaiba eh. Okay? Pag linagay mo sa on at sa where. Kasi ang where, final. Pati yung count ng rows, may effect. Tingnan mo to ha. Iayusin ko ha. Brad, tingnan mo to. Importante to, Brad. Kasi kapag left join, ito, hindi ito. Kapag inner join, ito, predicate eh. Kapag left, it's not a predicate, it's a matching, more of a matching of, tingnan mo to ha. Brads. Nakikita mo yan. Okay? And P dot product A is equal to ano ang mangyayari dyan? Ang mangyayari dyan, lahat ng products, dahil preserve siya, lalabas sila lahat. Kaso, pagdating sa matching, ang problema, dinagay mo yung P.product name sa matching. Which means,
aside na equal sila sa supplier ID, dapat yung product name is equal to ganyan. So, ang mangyayari sa preserved side, lalabas lahat. Tingnan mo, Brad. Importante to. Mali. Shit ito example na to. This is shit example. Why is this shit example? Yung S is under preserved. I don't know. Sometimes the book is shit. O, tignan mo. See? Nakikita mo? O, wag to. Ay, di, mali. Wait. Hindi. Ito. Tingnan mo to. Hindi. Wait. Ito ang gusto kong ano yun. Ito. Sorry. S, that company name. Teka. Left. Ah, shit. Sandali lang. Ano ba yan? Yan. 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 Okay. Brad, importante ito, Brad. Importante ito. Okay. Rrr. Okay? Brad, tingnan mo to. Importante ito. Oh, tingnan mo yan. Oh. Di ba? May pagkakaiba. Oh. Tingnan mo dito. Pag linagay ko dito. Okay? Tatanggalin ko yan. Ano mangyayari? Since kapag left join, yung dito is always matching. O ilagay ko dyan sa baba. Left join pa rin tayo. Final. Pag left join, Brad, matching siya. Matching. Hindi siya yung return of final rows. Okay, tignan mo nangyari. Ay, kuya, yun nga. Nagbabawas ako sa matamis. Yan.
Sa pesta lang. Bukas na lang. Bukas.
Gets mo? Pero sa inner join, at pareho lang yan. Kasi sa inner join, it's always, hindi lang siya matching. Predicate siya dito. Okay? This is a shit example. That doesn't...
Stop praising.
No, hindi lang na ano yan, Brad. Hindi lang na proofread. Gets mo? Na-gets mo yung ano? Matching. Ito, final. Okay? Kuya, banapol to, kuya.
Ano ko sana binigay manugang ni Ate Joy kasi anos dito eh.
Brad, save mo yan.
Para pagkamuhin sa
Sibol.
Kasi libre sinusunod ang paper pa kayo ano yung opera yung bayan.
Brad, yun mo sa directory natin, ha?
Sabo.
C drive. Projects. Joshua. Easy web.
Kaya ako nire-reserve ko ano.
Join.
Gaya nung di December.
Learn mo lang.
Yeah. Yes.
Maganda dun. Pamot. Tapos na December, para makakain. Kung hindi pa ganito, ano? Pahit ka pa dito, eh, no? Mas pahit ka dito, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Para paano ka lang, ganyan natin ang pilsin, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Paano matanggal mo?
Yes.
Ano po paano matanggal yung pattern?
Ano?
Fine.
Patisin, no?
Kapag tatapisin mo, pati muscle, ano,
Like,
lampo, dapat.
Talagang tatanggalin mo talaga. Wala.
like po.
Yung life po, ginagano na, ginigess na rin eh.
Dapat ano, yung training. Kasi,
Pero kung di train,
cosmetic.
para practice.
Hindi. Yan, ano yung
Alam mo,
surgeon.
kailangan-
May
kailangan
surgery
pa-
muna bago po cosmetic. Para alam niyo yung ano, anatomy.
I love my practice. ChatGPT po yung ginamit na plastic surgery na po. Ang
Ano
alam,
ba yun?
ChatGPT.
Ano doon, flip ka pa, ano?
Yeah.
Pati yung arms, no?
Ayan, mapapapaya pa tayo.
Yung like po, may mga priority. May sunod pa like.
Di ba may ano, ano, pwede kang, pwede,
General, ay ano, station.
I mean, dapat i-ano yung ka muna.
Ako dun po.
I-ano yung ka. I mean, i-ano ka, i-check up ka muna.
Dapat na OR.
Kasi, and I think, hindi ka dapat, di ba may ano yan, hangganan ng ano, like, na-lipo ka na, and then, cannot be lipo again. Pwede.
Hindi ka na pwedeng makahat na nasa OR. Baka maubos na ang dugo. Tsaka naka-stress yung body mo na matagal.
Yung ano ba, anesthesia daw was invented in 1864.
Kaya na, dapat immunity na, hindi babalik.
Yun ano po, yung mga doctors po in 1864.
Pala ko, may
Dapat yun sa, in 1864 po na-invent yung anesthesia. So before po 1864, there's still anesthesia ano po.
yeah, okay. Or
Bulu-bulu.
alcohol. Great to love.
Pinapainom mo yan, yan, no?
Sana, emergency, diba? Talagang yung very high foods para
Yung white lion.
Mm.
Wala ka.
Sa Tagaytay.
habang po sila ng white tigers.
Walang ano, walang sale.
Sa Subic, ano,
Sa positive, dapat may kinakain siya. No? Para
sa kami na kayo ka. Manan tayo ko, no? May kayo ka.
Very sana.
Nakatakot na kayo ka na? Wala kasi dyan, eh, no? Meron na yun. Yung mas bago, Tiger Cubs. Cub, pero ano, yung laki.
Sana
Ay, nakakatakot.
newborn.
Ako takot ako eh.
Yung newborn
Kasi pag ganit amok yun.
yung mga newborn parang
Kaya bata, kaya si Joshua, hindi pa lang dati. Isang nag-amok lang, oh. Patay.
Yung ano ba yung kita, yung pinaka-newborn na kita niya, parang gano'n na po, parang more than a cat na. Ha? Yung ano, yung newborn.
Newborn tiger. Si Joshua na swerte. May bagong panganak. Mga days pa lang. Tapos ano, papadede, ano. Kaya wala kang video picture lang. Nag-itay sa baby siya. Ano na siya, less than 1 year old. Pumutan lang. Para makarami ka.
Pinaka-matatagal.
Busog ka na. Big bad book.
Alam mo, brother, naisip ko ulit dito. I think tama ko rin yung author.
Ma'am,
Okay, pwede pa rin example ito.
but sa balik sample.
It's still a good example. But what will happen here? Itong supplier S, it will still be preserved. Kasi gets mo, matching lang kasi ito eh. Okay? Still a good example. Basta tandaan mo, Brad, pag left join, this is just matching. It doesn't determine it, yung final, yung word clause or yung final predicate determines yung yung rows na lalabas. Okay? Ano yung ko, Brad, ha? Shit, sinunado ko na. Anyway, okay pa rin yun. Yung example na yun. Nag-gets ko na. Yeah, okay.